In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. A credit memo is a document you issue to reduce the amount a customer owes, maybe because you're giving a refund, correcting an overcharge, or accepting a product return. It keeps your sales records accurate while making sure your customer's balance reflects the change. Once you're signed into QuickBooks Online, look to the upper left of your screen and click the New or Plus New button. That opens the Create menu where you'll find all the different forms you can make. From that list, select Credit Memo. If your list is long, you can start typing Credit Memo in the search field at the top of the menu to get to it faster. Now you'll enter the details of the credit memo. Start by choosing the correct customer from the drop-down list. QuickBooks will automatically pull in their billing information, which you can review for accuracy. Set the date of the credit memo so it matches when the credit should take effect in your books. If your company uses credit memo numbers, double-check the number field so it follows your usual sequence. Move down to the Product/Service table and add the items or services you're crediting back. For each line, confirm the description, quantity, rate, and the account it maps to through the product setup. If you're crediting only a portion of a sale, adjust the quantity or amount accordingly. If you're tracking classes or locations, assign them on each line so your reports stay consistent. For sales tax, make sure the taxable toggle is set correctly. If the original sale was taxed and you're reversing it, the credit memo should usually mirror that tax treatment. You'll see the tax calculate automatically based on your settings. Use the Message on Statement field to add a brief note your customer will see, such as credit for returned item, and the memo field for any internal details your team needs. If you have supporting documents, like a return authorization, you can attach them here so everything stays linked. When everything looks right, click Save. You can choose to receive and close if you're done, or Save and New if you need to create another one. After saving, your customer's balance will reflect the credit and you'll be able to apply it to an invoice later if needed. And there you go. That's all. By using a dedicated credit memo instead of editing past invoices, you keep your records clean, your audit trail intact, and your customer balances accurate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.